A very cool and charming morning to all my dear students. Today, as you can see, this is your maths period. As you know, this is your maths period. But today, instead of learning numbers, we are going to learn a shape. We are going to know about a new shape. And to learn about that new shape, first of all, let me tell you meaning of opposite. Opposite means in front of each other, जो एक दूसरे के सामने होते हैं. Opposite means in front of each other. The meaning of opposite will help you to learn the shape and to know about it. So opposite means जो एक दूसरे के सामने होते हैं. Like if somebody is sitting in front of you, so he is opposite you. He is opposite you. Now today we are going to learn and understand about new shape which name is rectangle. Its name is rectangle. So today we are going to learn about rectangle. So this is the shape rectangle. This is the shape rectangle. Here, as you can see, the opposite sides are equal to each other. Opposite sides means the side up and down. The side on upside and the downside are equal. Are equal. And the side on left hand side and the side on right hand side are equal. But all four sides are not equal. All four sides are not equal. If all four sides are equal, then it makes it a square. Then it makes it a square. But this is rectangle. Only a pair of sides is equal to each other. That means opposite sides are equal to each other. Now let's see some examples of rectangle which we can see in our day-to-day life. Now first comes a doormat. First comes a doormat. Doormat which we place in front of our door. So if anybody comes through that door, he can clean its legs or shoes and then come inside. And as you can see, the doormat is in a shape of rectangle. The doormat is in the shape of rectangle. And next comes our doors. Next comes our doors. And as you can see in the picture, this is a frame of a door. Frame of a door. So, as you can see, the doors are also in the shape of a rectangle. The doors are also in the shape of a rectangle. Now, next comes our board. The board on which we study in our classrooms. The boards are also in the shape of rectangle. The boards are also in the shape of rectangle. Boards helps us to gain knowledge as teacher writes on the board. Teacher writes on the boards. And here we can see a book. A book. So we can clearly see all the books are in shape of a rectangle. All of our books are in shape of rectangle. Now all of our books are kept in a bookshelf. All of our books are kept in a bookshelf, and the shape of bookshelf is also a rectangle. The shape of also bookshelf is also a rectangle. Now in this picture last we can see a school building. We can see a school building. School where we go to gain knowledge, and the shape of the school building is also a rectangle. The shape of school building is also a rectangle. Now our next picture is of door. Now our next picture is of door. And what is the color of door? Can anybody tell me the color of door, please? The color of door is black. The color of door is black. And the frame of door is brown. And the shape of door is rectangle. Now we get to see a swimming pool. Swimming pool in which we can bathe while in summer. And we can also learn how to swim in water. Now anybody who can tell me the shape of swimming pool? The shape of swimming pool is rectangle. The shape of swimming pool is rectangle. Very good. Now we are going to see another picture that is brick. A brick. One brick is slightly coming out, and as you can see, the shape of the brick is rectangle. The shape of the brick is rectangle, and the color of the brick may vary. Red, brown, light brown, mustard. There are many colors of the brick. And the shape of brick is rectangle. Now here we see a box. A box. A box where we can keep all our belongings like colors, sharpeners, pencils, and if a girl has any makeup material, then we can also place our makeup into the box so that it will be safe and will not be lost here and there. So the shape of box is rectangle. The shape of box is rectangle. Now we see one more picture where we can see a mobile phone. Mobile phone that mama and papa have, even you have, that is in the shape of a rectangle. Mobile phone is in the shape of a rectangle. Then comes chocolate. Everybody likes chocolate. I like to eat chocolate. You like to eat chocolate. And what is the shape of a chocolate? Rectangle. The shape of his chocolate is rectangle, where opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal to each other. Then comes a note. A 100 rupee note, a 50 rupee note, a 10 rupee note. They all are in a shape of rectangle. Then comes our TV. We watch TV to know about the things. We watch news in it. But what is the shape of TV? The shape of TV is rectangle. The shape of TV is rectangle. And the last picture says of a bag. These bags come many years back and they are in the shape of rectangle. They are in the shape of rectangle. Now as we have seen many pictures related to rectangle, now let's learn how can we draw a rectangle. How can we draw a rectangle? As you can see, this is our school notebook, and first we will write date, classwork. CW means classwork. Then we will write the topic, that is rectangle. The topic is rectangle. Now we are going to draw a rectangle with our pencil. First of all, you will put a dot on the crossing of two lines. Now count 6 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And press a dot here. Now we will go 3 boxes down. 1, 2, 3. And we will make a dot here. Similarly, from this dot, we will go 3 boxes down. 1, 2, 3. Now, with the help of these 4 dots, we are going to make a rectangle. But we have to make dots on each intersection first, like this. The drawing of dots will help us to make straight lines like this. Now the shape of rectangle is given very clearly here, and we will match all the dots like this. We have matched all the dots like this. Now our rectangle is made. Now it's time to color it. It's time to color it. So Which color do you want to color it with? I will color it with purple color. I will color my rectangle with purple color. So first I'm going to make a boundary line like this. Boundary line so that color may not go outside it. I have made a boundary line. I have made a boundary line. Now I am going to fill the colors in it like this. I am filling the colors. I am filling the colors like this. I am filling the colors. Now our rectangle is made and colored. So students, you have to do the homework like this in your notebook, classwork as well as homework. Best of luck to do this in your notebook. Bye-bye.